Hello and welcome everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, dear traders, we would like to say hello and welcome for our real-time daily trading ideas. 5 days, 5 traders. We would like to screen the markets, show you some interesting trading setups and answering your questions. But first of all, here we need to say our risk disclaimer. Be aware that Forex and CFDs are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposit. So they maybe not be subtitled for everyone. Please be aware that all we are presenting here today and all other webinars is just a personal opinion and not an advice for investing. So as I said to the beginning, here are our 5 traders today with Nenad. So later more about Nenad and his trading ideas. So here a quick overview of some of our offerings. So maybe for example our best sellers DAX 30 with a typical spread of only 0.8 points during the main trading hours. These and other products you can also trade in the mini micro lots, so as well as in the Forex. So if you have additional question, feel free to contact us. You can see our telephone number and also our email. If you like, you can check also our YouTube channel. All these live trading sessions are recorded, and you will find it later on our YouTube channel. So here's a picture from Nenad. So I say hello to you, Nenad. Hope the sound is well and you can hear me.
Yeah, of course. Hello to everyone. So guys, today we have a nice possibility to make some pips. Yesterday we already made some nice pips with our dollar yen trade, and today I expect more to come. You know, guys, my point is whenever you make something, especially if you talk to people who are trading for real, everyone should have proofs for that. So how I do it, how you can do it actually. If you are not sure about your analytics, if you don't know where your mistakes are, how you do it, if you're profitable or not, then definitely there are a few ways to do it. I have all of my accounts connected to my FX book and verify that they are real accounts. And you can also use FX Blue. It's also a publisher that has a direct deal with Admiral. It's a part of MT Supreme Edition, so you can always do it. So all of my accounts are connected to my FX book, and I'm happy to assist everyone who is still not profitable with our Admiral Markets webinars. So today, that was just a quick off topic, and honestly, guys, today it is already a good day to trade, and I expect to continue with this day to continue with possible good movement. Now, of course, my eyes are on GBP dollar, and we will do a quick analysis on GBP dollar. And then I will go to dollar yen, because if you read my analysis yesterday on Admiral Markets technical analysis website, you know that I was short on dollar yen, and I traded this actually, and I hope that you made money. This was the analysis: dollar yen, hidden bearish divergence prior to FOMC decision. The entry was made here, clear entry. So if you traded this setup yesterday, you could have made some very, very good pips, because now you can see the dollar yen dropped almost 100 pips after my analysis yesterday. And well, this kind of analysis actually is what people like to see. And of course, thank you again for your support, for receiving, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't receive the first award, the Golden Pip Award by forex3.com. So basically, this was it for yesterday. Hope you made pips. We will get back to this a little bit later. Now let's get back to pound dollar. Pound dollar, let's do a quick multiple time frame top down approach. We can see that this pound dollar is in a nice uptrend, and definitely this uptrend persists, because we can see a nice rejection from quarterly levels, from monthly H3. Price is now above a monthly H4. So this tells me that this is a very strong uptrend. So very strong uptrend. We have a Marubozu candle on daily chart. Marubozu candle, if you don't know what Marubozu is, again, please refer to Price Action Training School, my series of webinars on Admiral Markets YouTube channel. So you will see what Marubozu is. I talked about it. So You can see nice Marubozu open here above 40.45. This is monthly H4, quarterly H5. So this tells me that the pair is still in nice uptrend. Also, we have W here, guys. This is W. It's close to being an Adam at Adam. If just it had like a little bit bigger wick, it would have been an Adam at Adam. But still, it signifies that this pair is still in nice uptrend. Now, because we already had some sellers here in the history, I expect some retracement. Now, if 4 hours stays true, so if MACD is above zero line, we go to, let's say, 1 hour time frame, and there we can try to find possible entries. Now, to find possible entries, we also need to find some confluence. So here I will put a Fibonacci retracement here from this point to this point. And here, guys, you can see that there are a couple of levels. First thing is it can, so definitely it can start to reject from 41.30 to 41.22. So this is the first zone. But to me, you know, guys, 23.6, I don't like particularly 23.6. 23.6 is good only in strong trends. We have a strong trend on pound dollar, but yet again, it's Thursday. It's not like it's Monday or Tuesday. Tomorrow is Friday, so tomorrow there will be profit taking day. So there are two possibilities. Either it will reject from this zone 41.30. Let me just move it a little bit here, 41.36 to 41.22, or it will actually drop. Now, the level that I watch for, if we see a possible spike down, this is the level. So in between 41.03 and 41.25. So this zone is slightly better for me. Why? Because we have an order block here. This is order block. Okay. This is a bullish candle. Okay. It has a swing high, but this most prominent swing high here is an order block. So if the price drops here, I think it will reject. So anywhere from 41, let's say 90 to 41.003 is a POC zone. So this could drop here and start to reject if it breaks lower. So pay attention to this 41.22, 41.36. If it spikes up, then it will be a continuation above this high 41.78. If it drops more, then this is the zone to watch for, 14.88 to 14.103. Ideally, stop loss should be placed below 40.50. So let's say 40.45, include a spread, and let's say 40.45, I think would be okay. Of course, you need to think about risk. Your risk is, I think that your risk is should be in between 0.5 and 1% per trade. I personally prefer to see lower risk because I trade both on bigger accounts, lower accounts, have a lot of experience in trading. So I always advise to use the provided leverage in a smart way. So don't put whole risk in a single trade, divide the risk, and try to keep it like professionals do. The point of retail trading is you want to trade like professionals, guys. You don't want to be simple retail John Doe traders. My mission is to make you close to being a professional trader. Okay, this is basically my idea for a pound dollar. Now let's get back to dollar yen. We might see a continuation on dollar yen trade. Yesterday, as I already explained, we had a nice drop, and fortunately, guys, I was very correct about FOMC because my almost 10 years experience in full-time trading tells me that the price is 99% of the time already calculated into the decision rate. So we saw that market was actually pricing in that Fed rate hike, but more important is what FOMC statement actually confirms and says. What is their point about future monetary guidance? And I suspect now, I don't want to prolong this more than I have to, I suspect that this would be the case. So that is why I made, not just because of technical analysis, but because of fundamental views, I made it clear that dollar yen is about to drop. And of course, if you visit my webinars, my analysis, all these things. I hope that you made money with the analysis. I'm always happy to see that traders made real money, not just demo money. Okay, so on dollar yen, we have a head and shoulders here, left, head, right. So we have a head and shoulders. We have an M pattern here. Everything here is bearish, but we also have a support there. So this is support, this is support. Now, what I would do, guys, actually, I would go to 1 hour time frame. I would go for a possible, it's already happening. So it started a drop here. So yeah, I would wait for a possible retest, guys, okay, of this zone here, okay, of this zone here. So if the price gets a little bit higher, it needs to make at least 20-25 pips of a pullback into the zone. Watch for potential reversals there. Entries could be possibly found in between 105.85 to 105.96, 106, let's call it, okay. And there, I think we could possibly see another rejection. Ideally, price would have to stay below this 106.15, let's say, because this is weekly H1 resistance, daily H1 confluence. We have EMA 89 here. So ideally, it would be good that it stays in between this level and this level. So I think that dollar yen has more potential to go short. For further continuation, we need to see a big bearish candle on 1 hour time frame, preferably Marubozu below weekly L3, or 4 hour time frame needs to close below 105.50. So also ideally it would be that we have a 4 hour candle close below weekly L3, 105.49. Then it will mean, in my opinion, that price will proceed further down, testing 105.30, possibly 105.02, because weekly L3 and weekly H3 levels are, in my opinion, that is how I base my analysis on and my teaching, because I know a lot about this. Weekly H3 and weekly L3 are very strong support to resistance levels. When price rejects weekly H3, it goes down. When it rejects weekly L3, it goes up. If it closes below L3, like it closed here below H3, then a drop should follow. And that is how I really want to trade, how I trade based on fundamental technical principles. And for me, this is very clear. If I see a 4 hour close below weekly L3, not like a close with a big wick. So let's say I don't want to see a hammer that closes below 105.49. I want to see a nice bearish close, like a bigger body close below weekly L3. Then the price should proceed further down. And I think that there is a possibility for a continuation trade. Again, those are my trading ideas. So shorting on rallies dollar yen, and of course buying the dip GBP dollar. Now let's see your questions. Hi Nenad, thank you for trading psychology book. Yes, no problem. I'm glad to help you out. Feel free to look euro dollar pair. Okay, euro dollar, guys, I already explained that euro dollar is bought on dips. Again, read my analysis. You have it on admiralmarkets.com. My view, euro dollar bullish. Now I also see that euro dollar is bought on dips. I would wait for a little bit down. So let's say in between 23.00, 23.08, we could see a rejection from this level, especially because I think there is a confluence with Fibonacci number. Let's put a Fibonacci here, Fibonacci retracement. Okay, let's get it here. And there we go. Okay, so 23.0, 23.10 here. If we see a drop here, watch for reversal patterns. Now, if it proceeds even more to the downside, guys, of course, you know what I have, my opinion on 78 and 88.6. So 22.80, 22.66, it could also be a rejection from there. So either rejection from this spot or from this spot. But there you should see at least some scalps, some good trading possibilities. Okay, let's just get back to pound dollar. If you make an entry here on pound dollar, you should place your stops there. Target should be at least here. If it breaks this level, then next target is 42.20. If you see that 4 hour candle closes above daily above this level, daily H3, then get ready for a possible 42.20. As I said, dollar yen, for me, I would like to see another rejection from this level or this zone. If it doesn't happen, watch for close below weekly L3. How can I find your MyFX book account? Yes, I can send you the link. You need to send me an email. I will send you the link with MyFX book account. So, but I really need to know why you need it. So, for bragging, I don't use that to brag. I can only say that I don't want to get public involved into commenting about why did I make only, let's say, 20-30% of profit, not 50-60, because I already had some experience with traders who probably don't know how to trade live, so they actually ask me weird questions. Why did I have a drawdown of 20-30%? Why did I make only 30-40%? Why it's not 500%? So I don't want to get into that kind of talk. So everything is clear as long as I'm involved. So here, guys, this is how you can trade this. Okay, so dollar yen, pound dollar, and euro dollar potential reversals. Now, just let me quickly explain about DAX 30. Okay, because I always have questions about DAX 30 index. Let me just open it, DAX 30, guys. Okay, here it is. Do you see the pattern here, guys? I mean, this is one of the most famous patterns out there. Okay, so you can see that it's actually head and shoulders. Okay, so head and shoulders pattern is one of my favorite patterns that tells me that there are signs of a possible continuation. Okay, so yeah, definitely there are some nice possible patterns here, and I think a rejection from possibly, if it goes to retest this level DAX, okay, in between 12 to 11, 12 to 17, watch for possible rejection. This is order block. Okay, let me clear this out. So this is order block, possible rejection. Strong for our 1 hour close or 4 hour close below 12,171 will probably pull the pair down towards 12,002. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and we could possibly see rejections down there. So let's okay, let is if you have any other questions, guys, ask me. So either rejection from here or close below this level and proceed down, and DAX will proceed down towards daily L5. I think it's clear. If it's not clear, I can repeat again. This is 89 EMA, okay, and 12.26.9 are standard settings for MACD. So Eric just send me an email to torrentialfx@gmail.com, and I will give you a permission to take a look at my FX book for 5 minutes, and then it's not publicly, it's just for me, but of course you can take a glimpse, of course. So yeah, of course, if you still want to make it sure. But I have both small accounts, big accounts. Okay, so that is how I do, and that is what I do. So if you have anything more to ask, guys, just go ahead. We still have 1-2 minutes left, so yeah, just go ahead and ask. For example, one of my FX book accounts is this one. This is 221 percentage in profit. Okay, so that is how I also trade, and I have also a bigger account that is also in profits. So yeah, I mean, everything is clear, guys. All my trades are in profits, and you can see there. So let's keep it this way, huh? We want to be constantly profitable, and let me just show you quick glimpse of this, what I'm talking about, because I want to make it clear. This is my nice profits for bigger account, and of course this one is smaller account, And you know, guys, what I mean, that if you are a famous trader, or at least you trade live for the industry, you need to have proof for everything. And unfortunately, a lot of people out there will give you their trading ideas, trading setups, without any validity actually to show you their performance or their accounts or their history. That's not good for the industry. So that is why, for me, everything is always clear. Guys, I don't think I have anything more to add. We are already over the time, so 22 minutes. This is short webinar. For all questions regarding other setups, please visit my webinars on Monday and on Wednesday. Thank you, guys. Talk to you soon. Expect new analysis soon. Maybe it will be pound yen, Daniel. Cheers, guys. Okay, talk to you soon. Trade safe.
Yes, thank you, Nenad, for your analysis today and showing some interesting trading setups, and as well for your information here for your MyFX book. So if you have additional questions, feel free to send us an email or take a call to us. So our contact data you will find on our website. And so for today, that's it. So thank you for listening. So tomorrow on Friday we have the last session for this week in this webinar. So feel free to join us. So and for the moment, I wish you a great day and good trades. So see you very soon. Bye bye.